What are you reading, Juliana? That's a white dog. Are you petting the dog? Whoa! Can you show us how you clap? You just learned how to clap. Can you show us how to clap? Yeah. Juliana, show us how to clap. Wow, look at you stand all by yourself. Oh, you took a step too. Now where are you headed? Oh, you're gonna do a flip? You gonna do a flip? Whoa! No, I don't think we want to play with that. Here, come over here. What's this? Juliana, what's this over here? What's that? Come over here. Juliana. Come on. Oh.